Hi guys, good morning. We as a whole family are going to Goa, so it is going to be super fun, super chill out. But yeah, so this is our plan till now, and I will just show you guys a glimpse.
बसनी घातलेली ती आहे बसनी घातलेली अशी कोपऱ्यातून
त्याने हळूहळू काढली त्या ड्रायव्हरने त्याबरोबर.
Hey guys, so we just came in our Airbnb. We're finally in Goa! और मम्मी पापा तो सब अभी सामान फिक्स कर रहे हैं. तो क्या रिकॉर्ड किया बिकॉज brightness is too less, but we can see one church over there and we can see one more church over there जो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा horror movies का याद दे रहा है. Yes, it is bad of me to say that.
एक वर आहे
आल्यावर कसं वाटतं
मस्त. This is also one room. So ये वाला जो कमरा है, me and my brother will take this room, but oh my god, we got a terrace. So this is the other room. I love the high ceilings. Like, I'm just gonna sit, eat something, and maybe after that I will meet you guys again when we head out for dinner. So bye bye. It is 9:30 and we are all back home. We had the best dinner. We had a good dinner. So we went to this one place first, which the vibe we didn't like at all. We didn't enjoy it because I don't know, the service, the staff, that is what really matters. And so we went to this other place and that place was really nice. Hi guys. Hi guys, good morning. It is the next day. It is Monday and happy Diwali. And it's the first time we are celebrating Diwali in Goa. It is nice, bright, sunny outside, and that is why I don't feel like going to the beach. But sham ko I will prefer going to the beach.
So that's what. That's 250.